everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some stew peas, and in my stew peas guys I'm going to add in some veggie chunks. If you don't want to add the veggie chunks, you can also substitute for mushrooms, or you can just do it by itself with the peas and your seasons and so on, right? Now for this I'm going to have some white rice beside it with some vegetables guys. If you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. I want to use this opportunity guys to welcome all my new subscribers to my YouTube community. I do see all of you guys. I really appreciate you subscribing and enjoying my content. Let's get straight into this one. Okay guys, I've been soaking my peas here from overnight. What I'm going to do now is to just put some hot water on there, and I actually added 2 cups of water to rehydrate my chunks, right? What I'm going to do now is to just rinse off this water off it and kind of squeeze it out. I don't want the flavor of that water in my chunks, right? Okay, so for today we're not going to pressure cook the peas. I'm doing it just because, you know, some people like the college students don't maybe have a pressure cooker, so I'm showing you guys so you can improvise. So what I'm going to do now is to add in my salt and my peas. We're going to cook this around 20-30 minutes and then check on it. While our peas cooking off, we're going to do just a regular salad. This one not going to have any dressing guys. It's very regular. Now I have here cabbage of 2 different types. I have the purple and the regular white cabbage. I have carrot and cucumber. If you have lettuce, you can, you know, add anything you want in it. This one is very easy to make guys. So first we're going to shred the cabbage. Alright guys, so things should just look simple like this. Now we're going to toss it together. Now after I finish tossing my salad, I'm just going to add it to my salad bowl here. And this is something very easy guys. Everybody can enjoy this. Simple. Not a lot of ingredients needed for this salad, and that's it. Let's take a look at our peas. So far guys, so good. It has 75% cooked. Pretty good here. So what I'm going to do now guys is to just take it off the heat. Going in with some oil, or garlic and ginger, or onions, or scallion. Alright guys, so while these are breaking down, I'm going to go ahead and make my spinach dough. Here I have 1 cup of flour, and I'm using the wheat flour. So this I'm going to add some salt. Give that a quick little mix up. Add in my water. And you want a nice firm dough. Alright, so I'm gonna just let this sit for a little while just to relax that gluten. Alright, this is how things are looking. Adding in my carrot. A Scotch bonnet pepper. Some thyme. Alright guys, in this is a concussion of some herbs. I have pimento berries, cumin, all-purpose seasoning, bay leaf, everything in there. And the reason for that is I never want nobody to bite down on the pimento berries. Now I'm going to add in my veggie chunks. Guys, a little later on I go in with some chopped Scotch bonnet pepper because I like to taste the pepper when I'm eating. So we're just gonna give that a little time to come together. How things are progressing. Lovely. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add back my peas. You can go ahead and you can taste it to see how the flavor is. So this we need a little bit more salt or Scotch bonnet pepper as mentioned earlier. And now we can just let everything mellow down and come down nicely before adding the spinners. Alright, making our spinners, so you don't need to pull more than our little piece. Just a little piece at a time and just roll them up. I tell you, 1 cup of flour can give you so much of the spinners. Perfect time to add in our spinners. For stew peas, you don't necessarily need any slurry, guys, because the spinners will help to thicken up your stew. To add a little bit more color to my stew, I'm going to go in with some of my Jamaican browning. If you don't have the browning, you can use soy sauce. Alright guys, now we're going to finish off our stew, and to this we're going to add in some fresh thyme. And what I did was to remove the thyme leaf from the sprig, right? And I'm going to do some black pepper as well as some sweet peppers. And as you can see, it's an array of colors here we're working with. Now to this, guys, we're going to go in with just a little bit of the coconut milk. Not a lot here, just a little toops, just a little toops, maybe around 2 tablespoons. And to this, now we're just gonna allow this to just come down a little bit more, 10 minutes, and we're done with that. Now we're going to work with our rice. To our pot here, I'm going to add in my scallion and Scotch bonnet pepper, some salt, coconut milk, and the rice. And my rice, guys, has been washed earlier. So my stew, I'll turn it off when the rice is finished. So give it time to just come down a little bit more. Alright guys, everything is looking so lovely as you can see here. Beautiful pot of stew peas. Yes man. With our vegetable salad right here. Beautiful with our white rice. Guys, I can't want more than this, you know, guys. Can't want more than this, guys. So I remove the scallion from the rice with the Scotch bonnet pepper. Time to dig right in, guys, right in. Nice coconut rice, and I think it balanced out the stew peas, being that I didn't put a lot of the coconut milk in the stew peas. This is lovely, people. I went ahead and I fried some plantains, because what's stew peas without a nice sweet plantain on the side? Yes. And of course, to finish off, we have tomatoes. And that's it, guys. Nice pot of stew peas. Look at that. And the dinner looking so divine, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time. Bye.